Greetings everyone, my name is Zimji Ilamonon and I am here to discuss about a Java program that continuously asks the user to enter their age until they enter a valid positive number. First, a scanner object is used to get input from the user. An integer age is initialized to -1 and an invalid age to start the loop, asking for a valid positive age. Second, input validation. The program enters a while loop where it continuously prompts the user for their age. It checks if the input is a valid integer using hash next int. If the input is not valid integer, it asks the user to try again. Third is voting eligibility. After receiving a valid age, the program checks if the user 18 or older. If so, it prints that the user is eligible to vote. Otherwise, it prints that the user is not eligible. Fourth is age group classification. The program classifies the user into one of the following categories based on the age. First, 0 to 12 child, 13-17 teenager, 18 to 59 adult, and 60 plus senior citizens. Fifth, repetition. After displaying the result, the program asks if the user would like to enter another age. If the user enters yes, the loop repeats. If the user enters no, the program exits with a thank you message. Ano to?
Nabuo ang gipost.